Hi guys, I'm back with the Mani. So this video will feature October 22 Sparkling Co's dip powder subscription bag. Yes, I am behind. So the theme of this bag was thunderstorms, and so of course you have the appropriate paper cutouts that are always too cute, and then you have your information bag, and you guys can see thunderstorms October 2022. The liquid for this month was Base Bond, and it came with 4 dip powders. I paid for the $29.99 a month dip powder subscription, and they always have a contest, but I never enter. They also have a referral program, so if you like to sign up, you can use my name. I get a credit and you get a credit also. And I don't believe the credit expires. I have my full government name in this description box below. And so I'm just unwrapping the items in this subscription bag. Here's the Base Bond. Sparkling Co, if y'all listening, maybe one month put some low odor Base Bond in there for folks to try it. And so I'm unwrapping the 4 dip powder colors, and they always come with matching swatch sticks as well. And so the first color was Dark and Stormy, which is a temp changer. The next one is Miss Thunderstood, which is a temp changer and it glows. I didn't use that one. And the next one, if you know, my slow self can unwrap it, Dramatic Skies, which is a temp and sun changer. And with this one, it says on the label, use dip liquids only. So I do use that one in this Mani, using only dip liquids. And then the last one is Electric Storm. And so with the swatch sticks, all 4 of these colors were nice to me. 3 were in the purple family and 1 was gray. However, the gray does turn purple. So I was like, why did they throw a gray in here and these different shades of purple? But you will see as this at the end of this video, don't fast forward though, watch the whole thing, that'll help me out. How it went along with the theme of the bag. And so I saw the I thought these were really pretty colors, really pretty. And so I chose the Electric Storm and Dramatic Skies in this set. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application, and I am using regular dip liquids, and so I am wearing my respirator to avoid dip flu symptoms later on and the next day and the next day. So when I use my respirator, I don't have dip flu symptoms. And if you're wondering why this dip powder is kind of chunky, any temp changer is always chunky, and so I'm going to lay my finger flat in the dip powder. So yeah, guys, just hang out with me. can see that color applied nice. I'm using a soft bristle toothbrush to brush off excess dip powder because it works well. If I'm using low odor dip liquids, they dry slower, so I tend to use a nail brush when I'm using low odor or odorless dip liquids. And so the glitter applied nice. It was a fine glitter dip powder, no issues whatsoever. And then I will encapsulate the glitter in clear off camera and activate and do my fouling and buffing off camera. So here are my nails after fouling and buffing and removing the excess fouling dust. I'm going in with Maniology's subscription plate. It is weather related. I don't know what month these came in, but these plates are exclusive to... No, they're not exclusive. I think you can purchase these on the site if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. But I decided to go in with the trees as a background on the nails and then stamp the lightning. And so I am applying Maniology sticky base coat on top of the dip powder. because I just want to be able to transfer the image without any issues. You don't have to use sticky base coat, but the image transfers without any issues when you apply sticky base coat to your nails. And so I'm applying that to the 3 nails and allowing that to dry maybe a few seconds, and then I'm going to prep my stamping supplies. I have my clear jelly stamper. Then I'm in a sticky pad. You can use a lint roller, and so you want to clean your stamper off. You want to clean your plate off with acetone, pure acetone as well. No acetone with like fragrances or oils in there, just plain old pure acetone. And so you see me just put my fingers in front of my USB fan, and so you see me just to help them dry faster. I'm going in with Maniology Sticky Black, but you did see me roll my stamper on the sticky pad, and then I have my scraper card, so these are the things that you need. I'm applying the black to the plate, and then I'm going to scrape across the plate. Now it looks crazy. I didn't think it was going to pick up, but it did. And I'm using the card to remove any excess stamping polish that I don't want to be on my nail. And so I'm stamping the trees on the free edge of my nail, and because it didn't transfer all the way on the other side, I end up cleaning the plate off, cleaning the stamper off on the sticky pad, cleaning the plate off with acetone, waving my hand because I want that acetone to dry, and then I'm going to repeat and apply the trees to my index finger and my ring finger so that I have some type of background on the nail. I'm then going to go in with Maniology's color Frozen. It's like a shimmer white, and stamp the lightning on my nail as well. After I stamped the lightning, I did end up somehow getting a dent on the free edge of my middle finger. I don't know how that happened. So I'm going in with the black stamping polish and kind of filling that in, letting that dry. So I put my fingers in front of my USB fan and let that dry for about 5 minutes. I'm going in with Maniology Smudge Free top coat because I will be using dip powder top coat, and I don't want it to smear my stamping. And I do have a discount code for Maniology. I'll have that linked in the description box below, or listed in the description box below, along with the products that I used as well. And so after I apply the smudge free top coat, I give that time to dry, probably about another 5 minutes. I put my fingers in front of my USB fan, and then I'm going to go in and apply activator. Wait a few seconds, wipe off excess activator from the nail, and then I'm going to go in with Sparkling Co's dip powder top coat, and this is the regular top coat. So just like with any other dip powder top coat, first layer, 3 quick swipes across the length and the width of the nail. Wipe your your top coat brush off on a lint-free towel or a wipe, and then you want to go in and repeat until you have top coat on all 5 nails. You want to then go in with a second layer of dip powder top coat, and this time you can be more purposeful. and ensure that you get dip powder top coat on all of the nails. I'm just putting them in front of my fan for a few seconds, and probably about, this video is sped up, so it's probably about maybe 15 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with my second layer of top coat, and again, you can be more detailed. I said purposeful later, but it is purposeful and detailed. And so I'm making sure I get that all over my nails and capping the free edge of my nail. And then it dried down relatively quick, less than 5 minutes, and it dried down nice and shiny. And you can see, if you have a gel allergy, you can use nail stamping with dip powder dip liquids. So here are the nails, nice and shiny, but you don't see any nails because I have oil, cuticle oil. So this is Sparkling Co's Brownie Batter Cuticle Oil. Smells just like some doggone fudge brownies. I think this came in a subscription bag last year that I received, but it smells just like brownies. So guys, please like this video if you found value and you like what you saw. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. But before you go, the gray is a temp changer and a UV changer. And so here are the nails. I did apply cuticle rhinestones to my pinky and thumb. And so I'm just going to put these nails in my my LED lamp for a few seconds. And boom, look at what? They are purple. And so now you can really see the lightning and things like that. And you can see why I chose this color with the glitter. So I thought it was cute. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.